Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ in torch red on adrenaline red leather interior. So we'll just start over the trunk here. So I've got the target top removed on this one. It is a glass or transparent roof. So it does have a black look, which accents nicely against the red. When we pull it up and have a look on the inside, so I'll pull on each corner here, flip it up like so. When you look through, it has a blue transparent look. There is an upgraded Z06 carpeted mat here. It has the privacy shield, so there's one piece of it. There's the cargo netting, and here's the other piece of the privacy shield with the Corvette flag on it as well. In the corner here, we do have storage, so you just simply pull up like so, and there's a storage pocket. So we'll put that back in, we'll lock the roof in place, and we'll close the trunk lid. It does have soft close, so I just simply press and it will pull itself shut. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic Z06 stage 2 spoiler that has the rear winglets on each side. Looks great. We've got the chrome badge package and the NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports on the exhaust have dampers that open and close to make the exhaust louder or quieter. We have the clear Z06 tail lights, as you can see, and we'll just swing around this side here. So this one has the nice upgraded chrome wheels. It's got red painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and brand new Michelin tires on it. Up top, we've got the nice carbon flash metallic vent cover, looks great. And down below, we've got the exposed carbon fiber Z06 side skirts. Look awesome. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And let me show you the door panel. We've got the nice baseball stitching, adrenaline red leather armrest. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a 10-speaker Bose stereo. Have a look on the power seat. We've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And we've got the nice competition seats with the carbon fiber inlay. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So we do have books with this one, they're all there. We've got heated and cooled seat here. So that's the control for the passenger seat, passenger temperature display, and passenger temperature control. It's got the nice adrenaline red leather accents here, as well as up and over on the dash. Looks great. And have a look at the dash condition while we're on this side, nice and tight. And we've got the nice Alcantara A-pillars that go up and onto the upper portion here as well. So it looks great. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And here we are at the front. So we've got the nice chrome wheels, red painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, brand new Michelin tires, Z06 badging with the nice carbon flash metallic insert there as well. Here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter LT4 motor, which is 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque, supercharged motor. We also have the magnetic ride control on this one. We've got the dry sump oil here in the corner, and it's got rear diff cooler and upgraded transmission cooler as well. We've got the embossed Z06 and Corvette flag there on the hood liner. Looks great. And we've got two sets of keys with it as well. So I'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and I'll move to the front here. So it's got the nice projector style headlights with the black housings, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, and HID projector headlights. We've got the exposed carbon fiber front lip with the nice exposed carbon fiber side winglets, and I'll just scan along that front so you can see the condition of it. It's got a HUD mount on it, and we've got the front curb view cameras here as well. So there's one, there's the other. In terms of issues, there's two small stone chips. So there's one right here. It's very, very tiny, the size of a pinhead, but it is there. And there was another one that I saw just over here. Here it is here. Perfect. Not to say there isn't any other ones, but those are two that I did notice. We will polish the car. We're going to 5-step polish it, so it will look fantastic. It's already a beautiful car to start, as you can see. And we'll just move around here. Here's your other front wheel. So nice chrome wheels, red calipers, nice heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Excellent. So over at the driver's side, again, that nice 10-speaker Bose stereo, power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and we do have the 2-user memory and programmable exit button. Nice adrenaline red leather stitch and armrest as well. Here's the kick plate. It's in really good shape, as you can see. A little bit of minor scuffing there at the front. We will polish it. We'll make it the best we can for you. And here's your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power reclined, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seats so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There it is, nice bark to it. So it's got 17,299 kilometers, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues there on the dash. We've got our cruise control buttons over here, favorites or track change down here. We've got the nice exposed carbon fiber with the Z06 logo here, volume controls for the radio, and our arrow keys. When we hit the arrow keys, we get settings, nav, phone, audio, performance, and info. Above that, we've got telephone controls and voice command controls. We've got rev match on here, and on this side is rev match off. What rev match does is when you're downshifting, it will rev the engine to match the speed of the transmission. Over on this side here, we've got our power windows. We've got our heads-up display. Let me see if I can show you that there. So I'll brighten it up. There it is on the windshield. So as you can see, I'm cycling through the different info, and I can change the position there of it as well. So that's your heads-up display. Down below, we've got trunk release, we've got our motion alarm on and off, and we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering column as well. On this side, push button start, behind screen storage with USB, and then we've got full factory navigation, audio, so AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB and auxiliary line in, telephone controls, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got performance data recorder, so that's there. And if we go over here, there's your cameras. I got the parking brake on, so I got to take that off. And we'll hit it there. There it is. So there's your front curb view cameras, and if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. So that's great. And then down below, we've got climate control. So this is the driver's side temperature, and again, we've got passenger controls over on the other side. Heated and cooled seat for the driver, secondary controls for the passenger, and there's our Z06 nameplate. So Z06, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Here's your 12-volt socket. We've got our cup holders there, electronic parking brake and mode selector. 7-speed manual shifter with nice red baseball stitch. The mode selector, when we twist it here, we have touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. And then we've got our center armrest with the Z06 embroidered in there. And then in here, we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. So that's great. Up top, we've got our auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. And then on this side, we've got our auto-dimming driver's side mirror as well. So we'll just hop out with it running, and we'll have a look and a listen. Wow, what a machine. Sounds fantastic. So that's in track mode. So you can quiet that down if you like. But I like the exhaust nice and loud, so I do set them to track mode when they come in. So there it is from the front. What a sharp looking car. Let me scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks fabulous. Here it is from the back. Tail lights on. Love the clear tail lights. Nice wide stance to the Z06. Great rumble. Sounds great. Love it. So there it is. There you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ in torch red with exposed carbon fiber skirts and competition seats. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.